Hi, welcome back. In this session, I'll discuss about list tags in HTML. List tags are used to display list items on a web page. There are three types of lists in HTML: ordered lists, unordered lists, and definition lists. Unordered lists, ordered lists, and definition lists. Ordered lists are presented by OL tag, unordered lists are presented by UL tag, and definition lists are presented by DL tag. Now starting with ordered lists. As the name specifies, this tag will help us to present a list of items in an order. Now let me show an example. As you can see, I already have a HTML file. Let's add a title to this file. Now let me list my favorite cities in the world. Let's have a heading for this listing. We can have it using h3 tag. My favorite cities ordered. Now I'll list my favorite cities in the world, but I cannot do it just by using OL tag. I will have to take the help of another tag called list item tag, which is represented by li tag. Now order list acts as a container for li tag, and in turn li holds every list item in the list. So I have 4 favorite cities, so I'll require 4 list item tags. So these cities are New York, London, Tokyo, and Mumbai. So let's see this in the web page. So here you can see there's a listing of 4 favorite cities of mine in an order. Now if you can observe, this order is being shown as 1, 2, 3, 4, which is an order with whole numbers. Now with the help of an attribute called type, I can change the way of presentation of this order. I can either use alphabets or Roman letters other than whole numbers. For alphabets, I can use small alphabets or capital alphabets, small Roman letters or capital Roman letters. So let's use small alphabets and see how it looks. So you can see now the order is A, B, C, D. So in the same way, capital alphabet will work. Now order lists also can take another attribute called start, which can show the starting point of the order. Now for example, in our first list had a default starting point as 1, as the type of order was whole numbers. Now if I add 4 as the starting point, the same default list will start from number 4. As I have 4 favorite cities, it is ending at 7. So this is how order lists work in HTML. Now I'll show you the next type of list, which is called as unordered lists. Unordered lists is represented by UL tag. As the name specifies, the list will not have any order. So instead of whole numbers, alphabets, or Roman letters, we will be seeing bullet points to display the list. Now let's build the same list which we had above as order list, and convert it into an unordered list. Let's see this in the web page. Now you can see the web page is displaying the unordered list, and bullet is a solid circle. Now, like order list, unordered list can also take the attribute type, but here it will be used to change the bullet style from default to circle or square. The default bullet style is called disk. So let's make it circle and see how it looks. So it became a circle. Let me change it to square. Now it became a solid square. So this is how unordered lists work in HTML. Now the third and last type of list is definition list, which is represented using DL tag. Now definition lists are used to build definition terms and definition descriptions on a web page. Now this can be done not only by definition list tag, but we need two more tags called DT and DD, where DT stands for definition term and DD stands for definition description. Now I have already collected some data to build a good looking definition list. So let's build a definition list with this data. We'll be having 4 definition terms and 4 definition descriptions. So now we have built a definition list. Now let's see this in the web page. Now if you see, the definition description is slightly indented, which shows that it is the description of the definition term above it. So this is how definition lists work in HTML. So I conclude this session now. We have seen 3 types of lists in this session. If you have any queries about lists, please post it. I'll try to reply to each and every query as soon as possible. Thank you.